Well, this is Open Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Kia Stonic, stock number 6349. This ran from the 8th 2020 to the current shape. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door slight fold in the front, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch factory aluminium good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-split vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,